What up, sex symbols? Yes. So I am happy to announce, I'm clearly very happy to announce my first ever workshop that's going to be happening July 21st, which is going to be next Monday at the Free Library in West Philly on Haverford Avenue. It's going to be myself alongside Erica Highsmith. She's going to be the moderator. Erica Highsmith is the owner of Official Rhythm and Grooves. That is actually, the competition is coming up in the next couple of months, so please keep your ears and eyes open and tuned into the streets. Social media streets, of course, that's what I'm talking about. She also herself hosts conversations with creatives on Instagram live every week, so which I was a part of that, or am a part of it. I mean, I jump on, I do what I do because I love to talk. But this is a little bit different. So this is a brainchild of mine that I've been sitting on for a very long time dwelling, and it was high time, and I've been feeling inspired to get up out my head and all of the things, the visions that I have, make it tangible. It's a big step, but I got some big shoes. I got some shoes with some big heels, so I could do it. Anyway, I want to invite you. So listen, this may or may not resonate with you, but if you're a creative especially, boom, you know what I'm saying? And if you're a millennial creative, oh, come on, honey, entrepreneur, solopreneur, creativepreneur, whatever you want to call it, this is for you. The Transformational Growth Program Workshop is really dedicated to really unlocking a lot of those pain points. And also very most importantly, building community. Because let me tell you, had I had community long time ago, I would have been a lot further. No, my black ass thought I could do it alone. See, that's the problem. Everybody thinks that they can do it alone. The only thing you can do alone is masturbation. That's it. Well, I'm sure that there's other things, but that's the first thing that comes to my mind. So I'm gonna put the flyer and the stories. You can go ahead and read it and catch it. My email is on there. The telephone number to the library is there as well, and you can check that out. But I really do believe that we need to become a people of resolution. So just to give you a little bit of backstory, I don't share too much of this personal journey of mine on social media for many reasons, but I will tell you, I am going to obviously change that, especially now, embarking on this new journey. But back in 2012, I want to say, when I was either turning 30 or turned 30, it was like clutching my pearls. Okay, you know how it is when you turn 30. You know how it is. I was like, oh my heavens, what am I going to do? I knew then that I needed to make a huge change because I was leaving behind my 20s without accomplishing anything. And it took me a very long time just to even get into the mindset to want to change that part. And then start to understand I need certain habits, ditch the old, deprogram, reprogram. It was a lot. The point is, I've been on this journey for a long time, and once you become really committed to transforming your avatar, you don't ever get off of it. You don't ever get off of it, and at least you shouldn't, because at each playing field, at each level, it intensifies, right? You'll never plateau. You'll never hit the ceiling of accomplishments. Each level, you'll find out new things about yourself. You'll discover some things, and you're like, who this woman? Who's this woman? Yeah. So, that is the Transformational Growth Program. So as you'll read, it's not me necessarily lecturing. It is me, however, having a conversation with people, with the community, and finding out what the pain points are and seeing how we can support each other. I love to say oftentimes that we can go faster, further together. You know what I mean? So I am super stoked and excited. Again, this is my little brainchild that I've been sitting on for a long time. And part of this growth and transformation is really about transforming your perception of not only yourself, but you in the world, society, and you within Society. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, you might want to check us out. If not this time, as of right now, until the need grows, it's only going to be for a month, or excuse me, once a month. Okay, so this is going to be the first one, July 21st, and then, of course, one in August, and then September. So it's not going to be exactly spaced out every 4 weeks necessarily, but it's going to be one per month. And I'll be coming before you, and I'll let you know exactly when that's going to be. So thank you so much for listening to my antics and this shenanigans. And if this is for you, I hope to see you there, and we can resonate, vibrate together, and go further together. Okay? Peace and power.